So now it is time to pay some attention to SEO. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a new plugin. Over here we're going to type in Google. It's not in the list, so we type it in here. And we are going to install the Sitekit by Google. We click on install now. It's installed, and then we click on activate to activate the plugin. So here we have Sitekit already, and we can click on start setup. And you have to sign in with your Google account, so we're going to do that right here by clicking right here. I will take this test account right here. Just this will come up with pop-ups, just allow every time. It's okay. Allow. Verify site ownership. You can click on proceed. Basically what it's gonna do is verify your website, make sure that you are the owner. So that's done. You're a verified owner of My WordPress. And then you have to click on allow My WordPress to access Google account data. You will click on allow. And the last step is set up Search Console. And you will click on add site. And there you go. Congratulations. You successfully set up Sitekit. So by clicking here you go back to the dashboard. And there you go. You can see Search Console is already connected. When we scroll down, there's no data yet because this is actually just set up as I showed you. This is the first time. So what we're going to do, we're going to connect the service analytics right now. Then you have to choose your account. We will choose this one. This is a test account. And again, just allow every pop-up here. It's okay. So account is My WordPress. Property is this domain. And what you want in the view is all website data. Country is Netherlands because I'm from Holland. And this is the time for the Netherlands time zone. Then you click on create account. And again you have to choose an account. And just allow every pop-up here. You really want to give Google the rights to read it and pull the data. So here you have to choose your country. I live in Holland, so I will select Netherlands. And it loads the conditions in Dutch. You have to check the checkbox right here. Also for these terms and conditions you have to check the checkbox right here. And I would suggest leaving every checkbox checked right here. Then you will click on I accept. Success. Your analytics account was successfully created. So you click here to go back to your dashboard. And you can see analytics is connected right now. So that's nice. Then we go to PageSpeed Insights. We want to connect the service to. So you will get insights into the page speeds of your website. This was a little bit easier because we just clicked once and now it's already connected. AdSense, you can connect this service to. Again, you will select the account that you want to import there, and then you click on allow and allow. Then you can create a AdSense account. That's okay. I will just click on the right account right here. This one. Log in. Okay. Get to work. That's okay. So over here you can take the domain name of your website. Which will be this domain name. Email address, it will be this test account. And this is the question: if you would like to receive AdSense information on your email address. I will tick no, and you save this and we'll continue. Okay, yeah, so this is not going to work. That's okay, but if you would have a regular domain name, this would work, and you would be able to create your Google AdSense account. So for now, that's too bad. I can't create an AdSense account with a temporary domain on SiteGround. That's okay, but if you would buy your own domain name on SiteGround, you will see that you can create an AdSense account here. So back to the dashboard, and okay, first post, yeah, and yeah, it says it's gathering data. This is okay. Google will get you some data in a couple of days, maybe in one day already. It's gathering data, gathering analytics. So the next time you would come here and see the dashboard, this could already have some data right there. So we installed Google Sitekit. We connected a couple of Google services like analytics, page speeds. Unfortunately, not Google AdSense. But again, if you would have your own domain name and you would have it verified, yeah, that would totally work, and you can create your AdSense account right there. So I hope this was a nice video for you, and that you could see how you can connect the Google services into your WordPress website here.